So I've been using this thing called the let them theory. The next time you feel left out, your friends all go out to brunch together and they don't invite you. Let them.
Let them.
Let them do their thing.
You know what? Just let them.
I needed this.
Let them. It is so profound.
Remind yourself to let them.
All the haters, we're gonna let them.
If someone says something mean about you behind your back, let them.
Let them do that. Let them say that.
Let them do it. Let them show up. Let them not do it. Let them not show up.
Let them learn from life, from their own choices.
It works.
Let them think what they want about you.
Make sure you get your copy, okay?
Figure out if this is your cup of tea. It was mine. I drank the whole cup.
The answer to the fear is let them.
I'm excited.
This book will change your life.
So let them and take your power back.
After reading this book, all I have to say is let them.
Let them. Let them. Let them. Let them.